This is Ian Lamont. I've been a publisher on Amazon for more than 10 years. Today, how to upload new book images via Amazon Advantage. If this video helps, please take a moment to like and subscribe, and let's get started. We're looking at Amazon Advantage, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload images for an existing title, and basically the images will look new. And I'm going to show you what I mean. So let's go first of all to the place where you do upload. Click on the hamburger menu, top left corner, select items, and then select upload images. And you'll come to this page, bulk image upload, and it lists out the steps you need to take. The most important step is the first one. Image files must be named by product identifier, by variant code, by file extension. So a lot of people will be looking at this and thinking, what? What does that mean? But they give you an example. So this number here, B000123456, that's the ASIN for the book. Main means it's the cover image of the book, and then it has to be a JPEG or a TIFF file. Let me show you what we're talking about when we're uploading images to an Amazon detail page or an Amazon listing. This is a book product that I have. I uploaded new images yesterday. One of the images looks like this, a 3D version. Here's another 3D version. And then I have 4 static versions. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same for another similar title that I have. I've already prepared the images, and I use that weird naming format that they have. So for instance, this one here, 978, some numbers, .main.jpg. So the number there, that is the ISBN for the book. Main means it is the cover image. That is like the first thing that people will see when they look at the listing on Amazon. It's going to be this image right here. IN01, IN means interior, but actually it can be another view of the front page or maybe the rear cover or something like that. So IN01, that's a different view of this item. And then we have IN02, IN03, IN04, etc. So let's go back to Amazon Advantage. It says the only accepted file types are JPEG. That's what I have. And then it says if uploading multiple images, you must create a zip file with all images inside before uploading. So I need to do that. Zip file means a compressed data file. Basically, you take all the images that you have. So in my case, it's going to be these 6 images. I'm going to right-click over it. This is a Mac, but Windows works in a similar way. So it just created a zip file of those particular book files. So let's just give it a name. This is the ISBN for it. So I'm going to upload this zip file to Amazon Advantage. Drag or click to upload an image or zip file. So I'm just going to drag it over. So then it's going to start to upload it after I select the vendor code. That's my Amazon Advantage vendor code, and then submit images. So it uploads the files. It's validating it. I don't know if you can see that right here. But it's basically making sure that it's the right type of image files that they can use. Usually takes a minute. Okay, your images have been submitted. Review the status report. So if you go to the status report, this is for. Actually, yeah, they're already validated. So it says image upload completed. It looks like it's okay. Sometimes if there's a problem, it'll give you an issue reason. Like for instance, it'll say wrong format or too small or whatever, and then the required action, you have to take care of it. But I just uploaded those images, and the listing itself should probably change within the next 24 to 72 hours. So that's how you upload new images to a book listing if you're running it through Amazon Advantage. If this video helped, please take a moment to like or subscribe. Links to my blog and contact information are in the show notes. And this is my blog. It's at leanmedia.org. Lots of posts about Amazon because this is what I live and breathe every day. Thanks so much for watching.